Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm eating lunch. Have nice lunch today. I have my broccoli wings and mashed potato. This is sweet potato mixed with regular potato. That's why it's orange. But this wings that I cook, first time using this seasoning, it's called orange pepper instead of the lemon pepper, and it's a slight difference. It tastes good. It tastes good. Orange pepper seasoning. You guys could try it. Maybe I'll put the picture up. But I'm also trying this new drink. Well, it's new to me. I need to stop saying new because these things are not new. They're just new to me. But this Malta, because you know they have Vitamalt and then they have different version of Malta drink. It looks so good. The packaging, the design, it just looks like it tastes good. But it tastes bad. It tastes so bad. Waste of money. It's cheap, so yeah, it's like $1.10, $1.10. So tastes bad. Anyways, guys, let me go eat. Hey guys, so I just finished working out. Still got my workout fit on. This is one of my favorite workout top, but I'm in the process of changing bags actually. So I just got this bag. Khadija just came back from the States. She bought me this bag. It is so cute. It's really cute. It's really cute. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah. I love this detail that guests normally have on their bags. This is also a guest bag. I love this too. She bought this like Christmas 3 years ago. Only thing is this is small. Like, look at this. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like small bags, and this is small to me. This is small. These are both small. The bag that I had before this was a bigger bag, so I'm like, and I had to downsize and fit everything in here. Now I gotta downsize even more to fit everything in here, so I'm gonna figure it out. This doesn't have a lot of the compartments. Like, this has the back here, you could put something, and this has a partitioner, so you have two sections. This doesn't have anything in the back, and it doesn't have a partitioner. You just working with one thing. But the good thing is it has two zips here, so get some space here. So let's figure it out. Purse has to be. I'm gonna put the purse in. Let's put it in the front section along with the C for my name. Cute. Continue. Okay. Along with my, what do you call it? Makeup pouch. It's not really makeup, it's everyday stuff like lotion, mirror, comb, elastic, rubber bands. Elastic is rubber. Just little random stuff that you might want. Sanitizer, yeah, perfume. It's needed. Anyways, put that there. Those two in this section. Then I'm going to put, this is like another pouch that I keep. If you guys watch my what I have in my bag 2023, I show you guys. But important documents. So let's put it in this section. Yeah, basically it. I have my wristband. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. It's for my wrist because I have issues sometimes with my wrist. I have my pump, asthma pump. I was asthmatic growing up, but it flares up now and then. And this is my eye lens pouch, and it's not for fashion eye, like I'm really blind. My phone and this phone that I'm recording with supposed to go in here too. So one phone would be here, the next one would be here. This is empty. This is just a lotion jar that I'm going to fill and bring it back to work so I could put it back on my desk. Charger for the phone. AirPods. That's it. I already took out another purse that I decided I'm not going to use since I'm downsizing. I'm keeping this hairdresser flyer because she looks like she do good stuff. She looks like she's expensive too, but still, I'm going to check her out one of these days. So let me see that. That's about it, really. Oh, in the back here is where I normally keep my chopstick and this flash drive. I have music on that I normally play on in the car. So I guess everything fits. It just doesn't close. It won't close because it needs to snap in place. It can't snap in place. I also got some body sprays that she bought. I'll show you guys. Oh, these are the pouch and booklet that I took out the bag yesterday to make space. But these are the Bath and Body Works that she bought, the sprays. This is Luminous. Smell good. I dirty. I don't want to spray them. And this is Into the Night. I wore this one this morning. Smell good. This one is Peach Bellini. I know I ain't pronouncing it right. Don't come for me. She smell like peach. So this is just a sweet smell. Like, I think this is gonna be my bedtime because I'm not the sweet smell type. Like, yeah, I could wear that to bed. And champagne toast. This is a famous one. Everybody knows champagne toast. Like, I'm gonna savor this one, but I didn't expect her to buy anything, so she did good picking them out. So appreciate it. Got some other stuff too, but oh, she bought me a swimsuit so I don't look hot down all the time when I learn another swim, doing the learn to swim. I'm talking too much, so let me wrap it up. Like, share, subscribe, and I see you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, welcome back. It is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're having a great week and you're about to have an even greater weekend. Yeah guys, so it's Friday. I'm at work. I want to try this drink with you guys. This is basically lemonade that they sell with fruits in it. So at the bottom they have a big round pineapple, slice of pineapple, and these look like cantaloupes. It's orange, so I'm thinking it's either papaya, which I doubt, or it's cantaloupe. So I'm thinking it's cantaloupe, and then these are apple, slices of apple. If you can see, yeah. So far I can see apple, pineapple, cantaloupe, I guess. Let's try it. And this was only $5, guys. Like, what? All this for $5? Even though it's lemonade. But fruits in it, like, fruits ain't cheap. Fruits are not cheap. Someone said it's sweet, but I think it's supposed to be refreshing. Ain't supposed to be no sweet. What else is this? Oh, I'm looking at this. What is this? This look like mango? Oh, ginger. Oh, I smell ginger. Yeah, she said ginger was in it as well, but what is this? Mango. Oh my god. Mango in it. Ooh. This is good. This is not sweet. It's not fresh. Ooh, I see something else. Ooh. Kiwi. Come on. Look at this, guys. It's a whole kiwi, like, oh, so many different fruits in here. And it's only $5. This tastes good. I taste the ginger. And look how big the pineapple is. The pineapple is as, like, come on. But these look like the fake pineapple that you get in the can. I like it. I could make this home. I don't know if I would, but too lazy. But it tastes good. I love that. The taste that stands out is the pineapple. Pineapple and the ginger. So you know it tastes good. So we have pineapple, ginger, cantaloupe, apple, kiwi, mango, everything in it. Tastes good. I like it. So guys, we finally redeemed our prize from when we won the Christmas tree competition in December. Yes, December. So we finally cashed in our prize and we got to order lunch as a group, and this food was so good. The portion was right. I ate from this plate 3 different times. The food was really good. We ordered from Manny's. That's a good restaurant. Yummy. Hey guys, it's later the same day. It's Friday and I'm finally home. Happy Friday, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Can't wait to see what I get into this weekend. I don't have anything crazy planned, but the weekend is just the weekend. Like, can't wait to just recharge and relax and unwind, have some fun and chill. Like, yeah. Hopefully we do some sort of self-care this weekend, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure this is not the end of the video, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Let me know what you guys want to see from this channel. Definitely taking suggestions, people. Like, comment down below. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Sunday. I'm home alone, bored, so I randomly decide to bake some banana bread. I forgot to record the initial process, but I have the ingredients on the screen for you guys. I went ahead and greased the pan. Now we're just gonna pour in our batter and stick it in the oven for a few minutes. It turned out pretty good. I brought it to work and my co-workers enjoyed it. They said it tasted really nice. Only thing is, they said it tasted more like banana pudding instead of banana bread. And I'm like, the audacity. But anyways, they enjoyed it. It was really good. So that's all that matters. She looks like the girl of mine. Okay guys, it's later the same day. It's still Sunday. I'm about to do some juicing. I'm excited for today's recipe because I'm going to be using cucumber for the first time. First time adding cucumber to my juicing. I'm trying to at least add one one vegetable in my juicing. Last time I used lettuce, so I'm using cucumbers today. The full recipe is cucumbers, carrot, ginger, lime, watermelon, apples, and carrots. yes, that's what we're doing today. It came out pretty good. It tastes really good, and I am so proud of myself because I didn't add any sugar to my juice. I drank it just like that, and it wasn't fresh. It was still, sweet enough. So I guess the sugary fruit that I have here is basically the apple, because the watermelon isn't really sweet, at least not for me. But I always add watermelon to my juicing. It doesn't matter what I'm juicing, because the watermelon is just water fruit. So yes, I love it for that. It's perfect. But yeah, guys, I'm trying out this new recipe and it's not bad at all. Let me know if you guys juice and if you have any recipes that you want me to try out. But that's all I want to say, guys. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, like calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he better date me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. My